everyone, welcome back to my channel, and it's a new vlog. I believe that we haven't done a vlog since a very long time, and you all really like it and appreciate being a part of my life. So that's why I decided to do it once in a while. I don't know if this goes good, then probably we'll do it more. But yes, this is going to be a heart-to-heart conversation. Also, I'll show my bits and pieces of what I do in my day, my life, what I eat, exercises, everything. We are going to talk about it. Some personal conversations, some heart-to-heart conversations. So this is something that you're going to like, because I know that you really enjoy them. And yeah, here is Sujan Bhaiya. Got me. Hello Bhaiya. He got me nariyal pani. Thank you. So yeah, I'm just done with my workout, so let's go little back and show you what I did.
Yeah. Hey, new beginnings on the cusp. Not too old to adjust. Old dog, new tricks. Remember, I was just a pup. Something dirty in my cup. Clean soul, good karma is a must. Still my shooter in the cut. I was stuck inside a rut. Played the game, made bank, move G. Anything to get a buck. You won't find me in the club. I'm in the lab trying to sharpen up the sword. Swinging blades at these scrubs. Bitches flock like bugs to the light. Getting right. Treat my hoes like these raps. I don't really got a type. Off top, bullshitting. All I needed was a mic. Yeah. Hey, pass the rock, it's all butter. Pack your bags and take flight. Don't worry, it's all covered. Hey, live your life while you can. Our days are all numbered. Rain could cause thunder, but the sun comes after, clearing up the disaster.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody day's a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Like, yeah.
Take it from me, I got some places I should take you to see. You know it's easy when you ride with a G. Light speed, moving fast through the city, trying to find me some peace. I finally lived to be the guy that I was dying to be. Still I got some trust issues, people out through their teeth. The more I grew, the more they hide in the crease. Squad building, weak members get released. If we trying to compete, starting pitchers need relief. Bro, we building a team, everybody got a niche. I've been known to play mine to a T, but it's time for me to lead. Picking dirt right out the cleats. Steep path, roadblocks in the streets, trying to knock me off my feet, cause the devil never sleeps. So I don't sleep too, and trying to breach safes that I didn't have the keys to. We all been victims of trauma we ain't agreed to, but the sun comes after, starting up a new chapter.
Isn't it lovely? I ain't looking back, I'm focused on what's in front of me. Everybody day's a number, but I'm still here luckily. I know that God got me, so I'm in good company. Like, yeah. Isn't it lovely?
Workout, I did a good amount of stretching, some weights, some abs. Now we'll be doing some legs as well. So in my workout routine, it's a mix of everything, and I do it mostly from my own workouts from the app. If you are someone who's looking to work out with me, want to get fit from home, then we have great variety of programs, but the current program running here, I'll show the detail and put the link in the description if you want to be a part of my workout programs and my nutrition program. You get complete guidance with respect to that and a complete support. So the details would be here. Yes, and having said all of that, we're going to go for the legs. I don't usually hydrate well, but yes, sips of water is very good in between, and I'll finish off with my legs and finally some cool down. Let's do this. and I did, like as I mentioned, abs, weights, legs, and finished with the Shirshasana. So with my headstand, you know, after my shoulder injury, it's not been that smooth. It takes time, and also not every day is same, right? Some days you will have a workout that's going to be amazing, some days it will be okay, some days it will be very bad, and some days it will be very good. So you will have to always you know, appreciate yourself for showing up instead of cribbing like कि मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, because mostly what happens is we think कि मुझसे हो नहीं रहा है, then why should I even try for this? So but it's actually not like that. Graph is never linear, it's always up and down. And for me, after my shoulder injury, you say, matlab Shirshasana was never easy, right? So some days it feels really good, I can hold it for a long period of time. Today I did, but it was not that good as I usually do. So yeah, every day is not same, and it's completely fine. It's okay. You don't have to like pressurize yourself with that stuff. What you need to give your pressure, what you need to pressurize yourself with is consistency. That I believe is very important. So yes, now let's go and grab some water. I am done for the workout of the day. Yes, it's coconut water time, and it's so satisfying to do your workouts every day and then feel this post workout satisfaction. I believe this is one of the best thing, and yeah, this actually motivates you as well, this feeling that you get after workout. And one more thing that I wanted to discuss, and it randomly came up to my mind because yesterday I was seeing some random workout videos of women working out, and I think there was some transformation as well. It was very motivating. But when I saw the comment box, as we all do, it was like people were like कि जैसे ही लोगों का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन होता है, लोग कपड़े क्यों कम पहनना चालू कर देते हैं and all, because obviously when you are overweight and when you have like a lot of fat on your body, mostly people are not comfortable, right? So I don't know about everyone, but what I can say from my own experience is that what happens is when you are overweight, you're not actually comfortable with your body, right? And when you're not comfortable with your body, you want to hide as much as you can. You wear loose clothes, you wear it completely covered, and that is again a choice. And when you transform your body, this complete process of transformation, of losing weight, then like, you know, every body part looking the way you wanted it to be, you start feeling more comfortable with your body, you start feeling more close to it, and as a result you wear clothes that you always wanted to, but you were not able to because of that discomfort of looking fat. And ये मुझे लगता है कि ये बहुत ही कॉमन अप्रोच है, क्योंकि you start falling in love with your body, and that is good, I believe. So instead of judging people of why they are choosing to do something, we should always see कि this is a very good backstory, and we should not be judging people for the choices that they make, and especially in terms of clothes, because I believe what makes them comfortable is what is something that they have been battling since a very long time. Transformation is not just physical and what you see, it is actually beyond that. I can say that from my personal experience. I was very uncomfortable with myself. I used to wear a lot of loose clothes, and I was always wanted to get comfortable, wear something that fits my body and hug my body comfortably. And when I'm able to do so, I feel so happy and blessed and liberated. It makes you feel happy, comfortable, liberated. It makes you feel independent. So yeah, I believe that is my take on it. Like, I think a lot of pep talk. Let's quickly get into the day, and yeah, let's go. Hi. Hi. She's back from Ajmer. Hello ladies, are you in your 30s? Hey ladies, are you feeling more tired than... Next, what next?
नेक्स्ट शॉट है हाँ सौम्या होल्डिंग द प्रोडक्ट
नहीं नहीं. There's so many backgrounds हमारे स्टूडियो में. This one, and then this one. That's my office. I think most of you are like old to my channel, but if you are new, you know that I have my own health academy where I have a studio space as well, or per pay offline classes runs, and yeah, too much of things to do. Abhi we're shooting a brand video for a brand called well, we're like doing 2 of them together. There's a lot of brand work to be done, so I've collaborated with Wellbeing Nutrition. I've collaborated with them for like couple of videos, and I think their products are really nice. Like the protein powder also I'm using. Then there's this the one that we are shooting today is Omega. That is again amazing. So yeah, I think one of few brands that I really like is this one. And yeah, like this. So I have like been associated with quite good brands lately, like Be Body Wise, Omega 3. They are like designed for women. They understand women needs. वो मुझे बहुत पसंद है because when you are like a women centric brand, you cater to the requirements much better.
Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Got me on the floor, know exactly what I need. Noche Gianna, hit me up so I can leave. Meet me outside, only past 3. Seeing your face, I say you're so gorgeous, need you like it's air. Got me looking at your eyes, I'm trying not to stare. And you give me more than life and lots to reminisce. I can't even fathom how your love is still here.
Half year is already gone, and it's already July of 2024. What's your thoughts on this? मतलब I to keep thinking कि how fast this year has gone, and we always think like that, but we have been here with like it's already midway. Let me know in the comment section what you think. What is your mind space right now? My mind space is quite complicated, honestly. There are mixed feelings, but share yours in the comments below. क्या बोलते हैं? अच्छा तो इतना हेक्टिक है आज स्केड्यूल. आज बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं है. इतना लेट हो गई हूँ मैं हर चीज़ में. मेरा कॉल है अभी, एंड अभी आई एम हैविंग एंड रनिंग, जस्ट हैविंग माई आमंड्स. 5 मिनट में कॉल है, सो आई लाइक processing things out. Is my voice breaking?
You're always gonna be there at the top. Nobody can tell me that you're not. I know that you know just who you are. You are what I want. Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. It's override, always on my mind. I'm not alone, you're here with me. Call my line if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. Override, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me.
Done with all the calls, and I'm pretty late today for everything. I have not had my lunch till 4 o'clock, and which is not good. Please don't do this, but ऐसा हो जाता है मेरे साथ. I'm packed with a lot of work. So yeah, let's quickly have some lunch. और आज हमारे लिए निधि लेकर आई है कड़ी कचौरी as well. This is one of my favorite thing from Ajmer. I was planning not to have anything today. I did lot of workout, but अभी I cannot resist because she got it from Ajmer. और वो बहुत special कचौरी होती है, very famous. Ajmer is famous for कड़ी कचौरी. So we are going to have that. Totally fried and tasty, but ये बहुत famous है अजमेर में. So yes, I'm going to have this. और वैसे प्लान क्या था खाने का? इतनी सारी कचौरी. I can only eat one, but very tasty. देखिए मेरी कचौरी। थैंक यू निधि। It's about 7 o'clock or continuously non-stop meetings and work, and I don't know, it's like a quite hectic day, but इस time पे बीच में I take fruits and that is what I do, and I did today as well, but मैं shoot करना भूल गई, and if I have a photo I'll put it, but yeah, it's like 7 o'clock and it's been a quite hectic day, but yes, we are halfway there. Half year is gone, and I believe everybody is in a very different phase of life where they're thinking कि यार मतलब आधा साल भी चला गया and I don't know what to do and how are things going and how it's turning. It's different for different people, but for me, I believe that I have learned a lot of things, and I believe that in the next 6 months I'll speed up on things, whether it comes to my health, my productivity, and my planning, my execution, because first 6 months may whatever you do is at a very different speed as compared to the next 6 months, I believe. And yes, obviously for better productivity, for better utilization of time and the variety of things that you do, time management plays a very key role, and I believe that prioritizing your tasks that you really want to finish at that particular day, you have to prioritize them, making sure sure of good health, because if you're not healthy, आगे के 4-5 दिन वैसे भी it goes to waste. So it's good to keep up with your health and then manage your productivity with respect to time management. Sleep well, that is what my go-to tips for productivity. And I believe that next 6 months there are 4-5 things that I am going to be doing, and I think that it can actually help you as well. First one will definitely be planning things out in a very systematic way, writing down the top 6 things that I want from this next 6 months coming, and what will be my priorities, and then focusing all my energy in that particular area. That would be the first thing. Second, I will definitely keep up with my sleep schedule, because that is what gets compromised the most. So I will have to keep up with that, so that, because if you don't have a good sleep, your mornings gets ruined, and that is what like puts you in a loop that is very, very bad. So I will definitely be sleeping well so that I can have a good morning. So that is something that I am trying for the next 6 months. Also keep up with my health, doing more of workouts, exercises. That will definitely be there. Learning new things, executing new projects, will be my priority. But yes, time management, planning things out, writing down the top most priority things, keeping it with my sleep and my exercises. These are the few things that are something that I'm going to ensure that I take good care of and in the coming months. Let me know yours. What are your top 5 things that you are going to do in order to change your life in the next 6 months in the comments? And yeah.
Come alive if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one that's time. Override, always on my mind. Out alone, you're here with baby.
हाय आंटी, आपको मेरी वजह से बहुत हेल्दी खाना बनाना पड़ता है ना? अलग अलग, क्योंकि सब लोग नहीं खाते हमारे घर में.
Can't you see you're all I ever need? 보고 싶어 자꾸 날 보러 언제든 지금 당장이라도 괜찮아 너라면 내 뜨거운 눈빛에 you're the only one. 하고 싶어 모든 나만 있으면 오늘 밤에 너의 품에 안겨 wanna be like this forever. You're always gonna be there at the top. Nobody can tell me that you're not. I know that you know just who you are. You are what I want.
Come online if you're free tonight. Apple eye, you're the one this time. It's override, always on my mind. Not alone.
So balsamic vinegar gives it a tangy taste. You can also use lemon, and then we put a lot of noodles, Mix it through. Hi, finally it's dinner time and we have our rice noodles. प्रोटीन के लिए बहुत कम कुछ गया है बॉडी में and I get that anxiety. So I'm going to be having this Epigamia Greek yogurt so that at least
just so you you were what I wanted.
Call online if you're free tonight. You're the one this time. It's alright, always on my mind. I'm not alone, you're here with me. Call online if you're free tonight. You're the one this time. It's alright, always on my mind. Not alone, you're here with me. Doubling when I roll it down to the side. I'm settling like I'm the Monopoly guy. Don't need sentiment, cause I got you locked in my eye. Not a reverend, but I got our hands in the sky. Always living free inside my mind. I always wanna be right by your side. I always floating like I'm on cloud nine.
Hi everyone, finally the day is done. It's almost 11:30. I just washed my face. So I don't usually use that much of makeup. बहुत कम. I just use a sunscreen most of the time and a little bit of things. So not much of it that I do. But the bedtime skincare is what I believe is most important. So I take some time off after my workout and like in morning and at night to do a little bit of skincare because I know that skin health is very important. Or yeah, though it's not there always, but recently since I am aging, I have to take care of it. So yes, the day was pretty nice. Lot of work. Have to manage lot of things, and this is my thing. Like I do all of that stuff, work out, manage it, and this is pretty much the basic day in my life. And I believe that there are many things that I can work and improve on, like my schedule, my timings, but still I manage it somehow. And especially when it comes to work-life balance, I take an extra effort for that. I just spend a lot of time with my family after 8 o'clock at night, and that I do deliberately because I know that's very important for my mental peace, and I just really like it. No matter how much and how important my work is, I really like to balance it out with the family time and my life that I have. I travel as much as I can. I take time out for my family, and that's important. And I have started doing it since a lot has changed after my surgery. I used to be really aggressive with work, but after that I just gave myself a little leverage of enjoying, and that is what I'm doing now. Tomorrow again we will be having a hectic day, but yes, that's it for today. I will be doing some bedtime meditation exercises. Today I didn't film the morning routine, but that is again pretty much same for every day. I do a little bit of meditation, I do the morning stretch, morning drink, and then I just do those pretty basic things, not much of it. So yeah, I didn't film it. Probably tomorrow or day after I'll do it. I'm also like running, so I'll shoot bits and pieces of it and we'll put in the next vlog. But for today I'm just going to do some bedtime exercise, my meditation, and I'll be off. So yes, thank you for watching. I really would appreciate if you leave a comment and tell me how did you like today's video. If you like it more and want me to come up with these kind of videos more, it would be something that I will definitely do for all of you. So yes, that's it. I'll see you in my next vlog, next video, and yeah, till then, take good care of yourself, stay fit, stay happy. I love you. Bye.